Hey contractor, I get a lot of questions about this new AI-powered lead system. Let me walk you through the ones I hear the most. What's the number one mistake contractors make with marketing? The biggest mistake is paying for leads you don't own. Ads, Angi, HomeAdvisor. The second you stop paying, the calls stop. It's renting, not owning. Why is buying shared leads such a waste? Because you're competing with 3 or 4 other contractors for the same homeowner. That means price wars, tire kickers, and wasted time. Nobody wins, except the lead service. How do AI-powered videos fix this? Instead of chasing shared leads, you put out short AI-optimized mini-commercial videos. These rank in Google, YouTube, and even show up in AI reviews. ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok. When homeowners ask, "Who's the best contractor near me?" that means the calls come straight to you. What kind of ROI are contractors seeing? Contractors are turning a small monthly investment into highly profitable booked jobs. No ads, no shared leads, just job-ready homeowners. Is this a lot of extra work for me? Nope, it's 100% done for you. No filming, no editing, no hassle, just real, ready-to-hire homeowners calling you every month. So here's the bottom line. This only works for one contractor per trade, per city. If your spot is available, lock it in before your competitor does. Click the link in the description to check your city and trade availability right now.